Is that what it is next?
That's better. Maybe that's better than the serious one.
Fucking what? Beautiful! That was beautiful! So fucking what? Beautiful! Oh, beautiful!
Rags to riches and wood running wild. The fairground of the light. Never drunk or restless night.
Guitar grade 4.
Won't touch the ground.
Got some Beatles in there.
See the red lights upon Holcomb Hill. When the fireworks came down, bring your sisters and come join our ride, 'cause we are leaving town. One day we will all be together again. I said, one day we will all be together again. All the cowgirls and engine braves, you're not alone, my friends. 'Cause all of those songs that you sing at the top of your lungs make a difference in the end. One day we will all be together again. Come on, sing it with me. I said, one day we will all be together again. Not like this, not like this. Who's gonna stop this big wheel turning? Change day to night. everybody. One day we will all be together again. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. One day we will all be together again. Right, I'm gonna stop. You carry on. Carry on. One day we will all be together again. Come on. One day we will all be together again. Amazing. One day we will all be together again. One day we will all be together again. Yeah, baby. One more. I said, one day we will all be together again. But not like this. Thank you so much. You can catch us on August the 1st in Chester for a stand in the night, a one-dayer, and we've got Hope Sussex at the end of August and various other things as well. We're called The Light. I've been Daz, Rob on bass, Kirk on guitar, the amazing Phil on drums. Thank you very much. We're going to enjoy the festival now. God bless you.
Yes, guys, can you make even more noise for the marvellous The Lights? Beautiful, thanks so much.